Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mediclimenium and a year 1 medical student. Alright guys, today I'm going to be telling you 6 things you should never do on the exam day. Now some students actually fail their exam before starting the exam, and trust me, you don't want to be one of them. So guys, actually I am here with the juice. I am back with the vibes. I am back with everything you are going to be needing with JAMB. I went to a commercial break, but trust me, I'm here with everything you're going to do. So let's dive in straight into the video. We are going to range it from 1 to 6, and I'm going to start from the least to the very vital. Okay, so now coming up, the first one, you should never come late. The biggest mistake you are going to make is what? Coming late. Why do I say so? Coming late will bring instant panic. Now if your exam is set to be 7 a.m, make sure you are there 7:30, better still 6 a.m. Okay, so now this is what you don't get. Trying to balance yourself in the exam hall will be the worst mistake you can ever do. So everything that has to be balancing and everything stabilizing should be done before you enter the exam. Very, very important. Now the second one is very, very important. Not reading instructions. That is the worst mistake you will ever make that day. Now you guys wonder why people actually fail English. You see someone who scores 90, 80, 90, and at the end in English you see something like 50. Now this is very familiar. And why is it so? People usually use past question when studying English, which is good but has side effects. When I mean side effect, what do I mean? I actually mean that when you see a question that looks like a question you've seen before in your past question, you tend to do one funny thing and you want to choose that same answer, feeling you are smart. Now at that point you overlook something. There's always a word that actually can change or alter the answer of a question. When you see words like most likely, except, and almost, all those kind of words can be attached to a question, and actually that single word will alter everything. And trust me, picking the answer is the wrong answer. Okay, now so moving on to the next one, the most intriguing and the most famous. Now don't waste time on a particular question. I'm not going to waste time on this because you guys already know the drills. Now if you see a question that you can actually solve, you can actually arrive at the answer, but it's going to waste your time, please don't attempt it. Leave it. Do you know why I say you should leave it? Leave it when you are done with the whole everything and come back to it. Then you can spend your time on the question and get your correct answer. Okay, this one you never do. The only thing that is going to make you do this particular one, which is the fourth one I'm going to state now, is coming late, panicking. Don't ever do this. Clicking under pressure. Now clicking under pressure will be the worst mistake you can ever make. If you were actually supposed to get 300 and above, trust me, your score is already 250. Do you get me? Clicking under pressure will be the worst mistake, because trust me, at that point you are not even reading anymore. You are just clicking tam just to make sure you put some answers, and trust me, those are the wrong answers. You can't click right. Now the fifth one, the most interesting one, ignoring time. We've been saying this thing. Time, be very, very time cautious, be very, very time cautious, be very, very time cautious. Now do you know that the last one I said, which was the fourth one, was what? Clicking under pressure. Now if you are not time conscious, what is going to happen? Eventually when you become time conscious, when you don't have time anymore, that is when you are going to click under pressure. Actually, I learned the hard way. That's why I don't want you guys to learn the hard way. I want you to learn the easy way, which is now. If you've seen this video, trust me, don't make those mistakes on that day of your exam. Now the final one brings everything in sum. You understand what I'm saying? Now the first one we said, don't come late. The second one was what? Not reading instructions. Now the third one was what? Clicking under pressure. And we also talked about like everything all surrounding what? The last one we said, don't let fear take over. Now, if you let fear take over, trust me, just know you are scoring 200. That is if the questions were even lenient, or you even fall below 200, which is that's just failure. Now, if you've paid attention to everything and you've come to this final point, just know that you're already ahead of 50% of the people taking JAMB this year. Now, if you're just here for the first time, again, my name is Nemenium, a year 1 medical student, and I'm here to teach you everything you have to know. I'll be dropping solid facts, which is going to be helping you in your JAMB preparation. Things I learned the hard way, I'm going to teach you the simple way. So don't forget, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that anytime I drop, because I'm going to be dropping back to back, okay? So anytime I drop, you get a notification and you get enlightened. Okay, see you in my next video.